Hello and welcome to Bivori.com. I'm Suresh Khanal and we are talking about how to blog. And in this portion of how to blog, we are learning how to create new blogs. In our previous video, we talked about how you can buy domain names from GoDaddy and set its name servers in such a way that it'll point to your hosting in HostGator. Today, I'm going to talk about how you can install WordPress from your HostGator cPanel. If you remember previous video, I bought a domain name sureshkanal.com. Let me see what is there now. So it's a forbidden page from the web server, Apache server, and it contains nothing. Now let me show you how to install WordPress in this sureshkanal.com using HostGator cPanel. This is cPanel page which contains a lot of options, a lot of commands here. Categorized into different groups such as special offers, a few commands, HostGator, links, preferences, mail, and SEO and marketing tools category, a files category, logs, security, and domains, databases, software and services, and advanced categories. So what interests us here is softwares and services. It offers two very useful softwares to install the WordPress in your blog. One is Fantastico Delux and the other is a quick install. You can use any of these two applications in cPanel to install WordPress in your blog. I'm going to show you using both of them so that you can choose which one you will prefer for your installation. First of all, let me show you by installing it through Fantastico Delux. I click on this Fantastico Delux under the software and services category in HostGator cPanel. This will open up the Fantastico page. And if you look at the left hand side under this navigation, here are two items under navigation and blogs. Under blogs, we have got three items. The B2 Evolution, Nucleus, and WordPress. Three different platforms you can install by using this Fantastico. So click on the WordPress. We are going to install a WordPress in my sureshkanal.com, that domain name, in this HostGator account. So this page lists the previous installations and it allows you to visit those sites or remove them from here. Or if you are making a new installation, you can click on the link New Installation. If this is your first time installing WordPress on your domain, then New Installation will be perfect for you. So click on this New Installation link. It'll come up with the WordPress installation wizard, which contains 3 steps. And we are on the first step out of these 3 steps right now. The first thing you should choose is the installation location, on which domain you want to install the WordPress. From the list, I choose here sureshkanal.com, and in the directory, you can fill up this box with some name like blog if you want to install WordPress in the subdomain of your main domain name, like sureshkanal.com/blog. But in my case, I want to install it on the root of my domain name, so this is not needed. Admin username. Here you can enter your preferred username to log into the backend of your WordPress. Let me choose it like the Suresh admin. And password, Suresh password. Base configuration, admin nickname. Let me call it SHKHNL. This is my preferred nickname. And email address, shkhnl@gmail.com. This is my preferred email address. And my site name will be Suresh Khanal, and description my online vendoring. Then you can click on this Install WordPress button here. So the MySQL database and MySQL user WordPress_WRDP19 will be created. So this will be the database name as well as the MySQL username. You choose to install in the main directory of the domain sureshkanal.com. That's why the access URL will be sureshkanal.com only. So you can click on the finish if everything it lists is what you intended to create with. So click on finish now. Okay, so WordPress 3 of 3, that means we are on the last final stage, and it says that WP config, the PSP is configured. That means the configuration file has been created successfully. Data.sql configure, that means the database also created successfully. And please note, we only offer auto installation and auto configuration of WordPress, but do not offer any kind of support. It's very obvious. This is not the service from WordPress, but rather from by the Fantastico application here inside the HostGator. So they are not the one who are offering supports. And you need a username and a password to enter the admin area. Your username is Suresh admin. That's what I had entered, and your password is Suresh password. This is what I had selected. The full URL to the main to the admin area. Bookmark this wp-admin. So this is the default one for all of the WordPress installation. That the admin login screen will come up if you enter /wp-admin. Okay, now you can click on the back to WordPress overview, or anyway, the process is complete. You have installed WordPress. Now let me go back and check if the site opens now. So click on sureshkanal.com, press enter. Let me refresh the page. Great. So my Suresh Kanal, the site title, and my online rendering, the description of the site, the blog has installed, and WordPress. It looks nice. Isn't it pretty easy to install WordPress if you have a web host like HostGator? Next thing I'd like to show you is, after you have installed WordPress to your domain name and later on you decide to remove that installation. The reasons might be anything, whether you'd like to again start from the very fresh or you no longer need it, whatever be the case. In such situation, if you need to remove the WordPress installation that you have recently done, you no longer need this site, then you can do it by going to the HostGator cPanel once again, scroll down, go to the Fantastico Delux, and then choose WordPress. Then go to your domain name, sureshkanal.com. You can remove the setup from here. So just simply click this button. It will show you the last warning. The installation in the root directory of sureshkanal.com and the MySQL database and MySQL username sskanal.dp19 will be deleted. You can't undo this. Click on remove WordPress to proceed. So if you are pretty confirmed that you don't need it and you are really going to delete it, then you can click on this remove WordPress. So let me click this button. Perfect. Removing installation. The MySQL database has been removed. MySQL username was removed. The installation in the root directory was removed. That means now let me go back to the site and check if it is there or removed. Press enter, or let me refresh the page. It again came back to the state where it was. That means the WordPress is perfectly removed from your account. Okay, there was installing a WordPress using Fantastico and removing WordPress using Fantastico. Now let me show you using the quick installer. HostGator offers that application also. On your HostGator cPanel, when you come down to the software and services category, you will find quick install, an application to perform the similar task as Fantastico did, but let's see what's the difference there. Click on this quick install. It will open up the quick install page. On the left hand side you will find which software you want to install, like WordPress is here. Click on this WordPress. WordPress is a web software you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. We like to say that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. A very good statement. It's a free and priceless. All you need to do to install WordPress in using this quick install application is just click on this continue button. It'll ask you on which domain name you want to install the WordPress. If you are installing it in the subdomain, you can type it here, otherwise leave it blank. Enable auto upgrades. Your WordPress will be upgraded automatically, an additional benefit for using quick install. And admin email, here you enter your email address, blog title, let me make it Suresh Kanal, admin username Suresh admin, and first name Suresh, last name Kanal. So that's all. Click on this install now button. It'll take a very few moments for this green progress bar to progress and reach up to 100%. Then there is a congratulations message. Your installation is ready. You can access it now by going here. It links to sureshkanal.com. If there is any login information, it will have been sent to the email address you provided. Admin area is same. sureshkanal.com/admin and username sureshadmin, password. In case of using Fantastico, it allowed us to set our own password. Using quick install, it creates a password for you. It will display here as well as send it to your email also. We are now packing WordPress with super cache and have it enabled with recommended settings to help maintain solid performance from your WordPress installations. So an additional benefits of using this quick install is you got this plugin pre-installed. WP Supercast is almost a very necessary plugin for any blog, and it's good that Quick Install has installed it for us. And apart from this Supercast, the Quick Install also installs the Jetpack plugin. That is also a very good plugin to add a lot of functionality to your blog. Okay, the setup or installation of the WordPress is finished, and let's see how it loads in our website now. sureshkanal.com. Let me refresh the page. Click on the refresh button. Fine again. The website loads, WordPress is installed, and everything is perfect. You learned how to install by using Fantastico, and you learned how to install by using Quick Installer. Similarly, you also learned how to remove by using Fantastico. And let me show you how you can remove the WordPress installation by using Quick Install. Okay, if you are in a Quick Install, it's quite good. You can click on this Manage Installation, or if you were in the cPanel, for example, if you have just logged into your cPanel and you want to remove the installation made by that quick install, you can come down to the software and services category and go to the quick installs. It will take you to the quick installs page and click on manage installation. Then this will list all of your installations here, and find the item for your domain name here, WordPress 351 on sureshkanal.com. So you simply click on this uninstall button, the red cross mark. Click here. It will produce the command uninstall. Click on this uninstall button. It will be uninstalling and gone. The WordPress installation has been removed from your account. Let's go back again and check if that's true or not. Click on this refresh button. Forbidden. That means it's again back to the fresh. Okay, that's what I had to show you. Hope you can install WordPress for your blog. And for more information about blogging and how to blog, you can always visit bivori.com. I'll appreciate your comments and feedback in the blog. Thank you for watching this video.